हम 3 मिनट के लिए गए और 4 मिनट में आ गए।
Hope you remember our names. So let's watch part 2
of our video. Now, let's go on to Guru. What do you have to say on the movies?
I want to say all the horror movies. We all prefer to see horror movies with our friends or family. We all prefer to see horror movies with our friends or family. The horror movies is lot of fun, but it is not an easy task to create. We attach to the horror movies due to its sizzling bulb effect, sound effect, and darkness. Most of the director wants horror scenes in their movies, and in horror movies there is not an inspiration, but most of the people wants to see the films like in 1920 Evil's Returns, Haunted, etc.
Which one is your favorite movie, horror movie, Kashish?
I liked Haunted. I watched it in 3D and that was booming effect on my brain. I had nightmares for about 2 weeks after that.
So, what
Have
is-
you watched it, Milind?
Haunted, I didn't watch it properly, but small parts. But my favorite horror movie is Scary Movie 2.
Scary Movie 2. The
Yes.
name scares me.
No, ma'am, it's not.
Ma'am, it's funny.
It's comedy plus horror, so you would like it.
As my views, the horror movie should not be seen to the small children because they are small and they think that ghosts should be in their life also, and that's why
See,
they
Mansi is passionately fond of watching horror movies, but then she doesn't go to the washroom alone. After many days, she asks for my companionship. So children nowadays are quite with a lot of potential and a stout heart, and but then it's okay. We shouldn't make them watch until they are at a proper stage to endure things and take it in the reality sense of way that this is fictitious and that can be possible.
Obviously, for small children, we should not tell them that ghosts are really there. They should, because if ghosts are there and if they believe in it, that it would be a superstition for their whole life. So they should not be
Made to watch them.
ghost movies. Or if they are even made to watch, then they should be friendly ghost movies that are made specially for children only.
For
There are a lot of
example?
movies,
Some movies there is black magic and
ghost bananas and like these things.
And Bhootnath,
Yeah.
yeah, I think that was a lovely ghost movie. Even I was not scared of that.
Obviously, we are not scared of that, and it also teaches that ghosts are not only very horrific; they are also good also.
Are there ghosts?
I don't believe in it. When I would see it, I would believe it.
but ma'am, there are and
reality.
If I don't see, I don't believe in it. So I say, if it is, I would see it, I would believe in it, or I won't.
Would you introduce us to
I
that friend of yours?
Honestly,
Have you seen any ghost?
I think that most of the horror movies are just a fantasy based movie.
so now moving on to Saroli with her choice of movies.
I like educational movies because it have a drastic impact in our life. It is a boon for those people who grasp a good message from it, and at the same time it is curse too for those who grasp bad instincts of the movie. Moreover, I like to consider example of 3 Idiot. Inspired of engineering came to know the right path which they have to follow to become a good engineer. And also, it also gives us the message that we should opt only that stream in which we are most interested. But teenagers grasp only the fun performed by the actor and actresses, which is not right. And in fact, and instead of benefiting them, they affect them adversely. So
Then what would you say about that action movie? In that also education theme was played, in which reservation and quotas were there. So don't you think that that was a type of violence and that promoted violence?
Has anybody seen Arakshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you throw some light on that?
Yes, it is a movie based that some people want to get admission in a esteemed college, but due to the quota, they couldn't and they are thrown out because they fight and they do something illegal. Then a person as Amitabh, which was played by Amitabh Bachchan, he took his own tuitions and coachings to become to become a teacher who secured free coaching, who did free coachings for the students.
Yeah, this sort of frustration does happen in real life as well, because those who are highly talented, those who have put in their best, those who are burning midnight oil, if they don't secure the right place, they do undergo a lot of suffering, mental agony. And there have been a number of innumerable suicides in 90s were on the same topic of reservation. So it was a live picture of this thing and the agony which results from the particular thing. And
What do you have to say about the movie like Tare Zameen Par, where education was also taken and on the other hand mental health was taken? So do you think it was a good picturization or there was some negative effect?
I think it is a good picture that a mental that the students who are mentally challenged, they can also be good in studies.
yeah, what do you have to say about the role of Amir Khan in Tare Zameen Par?
He has got an important role in the movie. He helps. He's not like the other teachers who just help the intelligent ones. He challenged the problem of Ishan in the movie and help him to get out from that problem.
Do we have such teachers in real life, or it was an idealized picture of a teacher?
We rarely have those type of teachers because in today's scenario, teachers only try to help the children who are intelligent, but the less intelligent and the average students are never helped.
But don't you think it plays a bad effect on the mentally challenged students because the parents take the Ishan to the hostel?
So taking to the hostel is not a punishment, but the child who undergoes certain disability, he really takes it as a punishment.
But in this situation, government should also help the disabled children by opening some institutions.
There
or-
have been many institutions which are going on for disabled children.
Now CBSE has told all the CBSE schools to take at least 2 to 3 children of disabled abilities.
And what is the target behind that?
Just to promote that even those disabled ones can be successful persons.
Do you think we should have separate schools made for such
No,
children?
ma'am, they should be indulged in our schools only so that they can develop with us.
Otherwise, they will feel discriminated from the normal ones.
And that is what should not happen, and that is what the education system is bringing certain changes, the positive changes we should say, and they are allowed to study with the normal ones, and they don't feel underprivileged this way.
Well, I like all type of movies, and not me. In fact, all the people, in fact, the audience for the movies have always been skyrocketing. But today, I would like to discuss on political movies. If we see politics is good for us, in reality, it teaches us to deal with life. But in movies, according to me, and on an average, politics has always been a bad factor. Because the hero always has its victory by dominant superiority, or there is always harassment shown in political movies.
But don't you think it sometimes promote negativism in society, that obviously the whole government is bad and like in these. What do
Yeah,
you
it's
say?
sometimes that's why I
Yeah,
said
it's
it on
obviously
an
there are
average.
possibilities that obviously maybe 70% would be bad, but there would be some good persons also, no, who are making the government and who are running them.
But you can also see that 70%.
Yeah, on an
So,
average,
just
we are
go-
showing the politicians in dirty lights these days.
Yeah.
And it leaves a bad impression of mind, and we tend to lose our faith in police and order and system in the society. So, what do you think? We should glorify such inspectors and all who are the lazy bums, who don't want to interfere in anything, who just want their handsome salaries to reach to their pockets without taking any efforts in the welfare of society.
We of course want, but no strict actions are taken. This is corrupt the government and no strict. We always want that. We always want a good government, but no strict.
So, do you think such movies are going to make a positive change in the society and law and order?
I think so, ma'am. Now, till now, there are a lot of movies on politics showing corruption and everything. I don't think so. There is any change in society, and especially the politics.
I don't think
I
there is
think
any.
they are giving a negative effect because all the politicians or the police officers are not corrupted.
And by
Generally,
glorifying
in
the
today's movies, we can see that there is politics is always a bad factor because the person always wins by superiority or dominance, or he harasses people for his own benefits.
and by glorifying the people, those people who are corrupt in the government or the police department, and by showing those people also on movies that are very honest and serve their best to help the country.
We
that
have
will-
all sorts of examples
that will-
simultaneously going
that
on.
will only affect the thinking of the people, and it will not only create negativism, but it will also create a positive thinking in them, because they will feel secure that there are some people who are trying to serve the nation by their
The
heart.
mindset of the people will be changed, like that all the people are not corrupted, all the ministers are not corrupted, only some are.
Because even in these movies where we see maximum number of officers to be corrupted, there are the picks of the baskets who go for the right things, and that is where we should idolize them. And once we start doing it, we would try to copy that in a real life also, and such copying is most welcome.
Have you seen the movie Rajniti? It is a movie based on how different parties take revenge on another parties to win the race, and it has shown many vulgarness in them. What do you say about these political movies?
So
Obviously, it's a real picturization. There is revenge taken by the other political parties on their other opponents. It is even.
But by
seen in
showing
India also.
these types of movies, people can also be encouraged to force the government to change their type of views, and they can also, this type of movies can also create it can
It showed violence in politics.
But we all know that violence is there in politics.
Not so much that was shown, so it had a very bad effect on many people.
but that's a reality.
reality, there are even murders being done by on this topic only.
They are murder.
I would agree with the Millen's example, and I would here also give an example that just now an attack in Assam had also took place, and many leaders or party nationalists have politicians have been murdered, and they have been captured and then murdered.
We can also see in the movie Shahzadi, it was not a real story, but there was a lot of violence in this.
Which one?
Shahzadi.
Yeah, it was packed with thrill, action, suspense, and everything.
Nami Shahzade was based on two community ministers, one of Muslims and one of Chauhan.
Yeah. It was religion underlying as the main thread over
Very
there.
happening story. that not today, but if we step back in the last decade, it happened. And now also it happens in some part of India that the children are not allowed to marry with some other caste type. So that was a real story, and it has a message. When it painted, it has a message written on it that in our country, how many people like Zoya and him are suffering, and we should learn something from it.
Yes.
So you conclude that politics-based movies are bad for the people and it should be banned.
But I would say that 90% of the movies are for good. They tell us the reality and what's happening in our country. And 10% I would say that there is some negative.
Have you seen Dabang?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get any notice over there?
Obviously, yes,
Ma'am, it
ma'am.
is not totally based on politics. It has too much action.
Fantasy-based.
Fantasy
you like.
based.
Yeah, it's fantasy, comedy, romance, everything is there in that movie. Alright, all-rounder type.
But the way the politics is being done in our society, it can be changed by only seeing, showing those scenes in politics to people. That is why they can only make the change in the world.
Okay, now just let's end this topic. The thing is simply that it's our mind. It can also run in a bad. It can also learn good things and bad things. It's totally dependent. It totally depends on us to take it in which way. Now I would like to ask Pranjali about her views regarding family movies.
I like family elements movies because this movie to give our different messages and many.
Especially, which movie do you like in family movies?
हम साथ साथ
The reason behind that. It's emotional.
Does it emotionally touch you?
And why did you like it?
There must be something that you have enjoyed in that movie. What was that?
all the family members are going to the journey.
Means how a family is put together and how they feel they survive them.
Yeah, it tells us how we have to be in a family and how we care about each other and help when there is a difficulty or hard work. So obviously we all like family element movies. We are all emotionally touched by them. Anyone contradicting it?
I challenge every one of you to give one name for that.
कभी
Family-
खुशी कभी गम.
We are a family.
Bhagwan.
विवाह. दोस्ती.
We are a family. We are a family.
हम आपके हैं कौन?
You are my student. Yeah, coming over to
It's not a family element, it is a romantic.
which one?
हम आपके हैं कौन?
So that's okay, but there was
That's
a lot
also
of family entertainment over there, and that was the main fascinating feature of the movie.
Now moving on to Prakhar with his interest in which type of movies.
I prefer comedy movies because the best choice to watch movies are the comedy movies as they make us laugh. Laughing is the common expression of everybody. The sound of laughter can be heard all around the world. Watching comedy movies makes us to relieve stress, feel comfortable and better. Comedy movies usually show hilarious scenes for people to enjoy and laugh at it. There are many such movies such as Three Idiots, Bol Bachchan, Dhamal, Double Dhamal, etc.
Which one is?
It's always as we say that laughter is the best medicine, and comedies. I don't think that comedy movies have a bad effect on us.
It do have because vulgarity is shown. Like in Bol Bachchan, dialogues were very.
But they were not as much humiliating. That was a comic element.
That was a comic element, but it did cross the limits of decency.
But nowadays in movies only double meaning dialogues are used for the comedy and
They are
that.
pointless, but they still enjoy us.
And nowadays the real comedy is missing, and many directors always use double meaning dialogues and cross the limit of
What do you have to say about the movie Kya Subha Bhul But it was, you say, a comedy which should, in which we should laugh and enjoy.
comedy movies should not be directed. It should be based on real lives. Like there was one TV show
Gags.
on Colors.
Gags?
On Colors, Dekh Video Dekh. The videos that were shown on that serial, it was real, and it was laughter more than that. Like movies like Bol Bachchan, the dialogues they speak.
But those things automatically happen. That those were the recordings of the natural things, but
So-
movies are never natural.
Children take the jokes and language of the people, of the language they spoke, and they imitate it and speak with their friends.
That
Without
is-
even understanding some of the things, they go on with that. For example, this movie Bol Bachchan, I have heard a number of children speaking in foul language or taking pride in recollecting those things which they watch.
That is why the comedy-based movies should be on real incidents that are happening.
But
But should be something natural part should be there in those comedies. Obviously, there will be nothing realism in that. Obviously, comedy is nothing more than having some fun. But obviously, there should be a natural element in it.
But in now we are talking about movies, but comedy circus is there, but it's fully non-veg.
Yeah.
But in 3 Idiots, we for a story.
3 Idiots.
Yeah, that was pure fun.
Yeah.
There was
It
pure
happens
fun.
in real, obviously, that we go to a shadi type of a thing, and there we are caught by the principal of the college. These things happens. Maybe not that way. Maybe in some other way.
It was directed to be a comedy, but it was not crossing the limits. Like in Bol Bachchan, the double meaning dialogues were used. It was a normal fun thing that happens in
Healthy.
life.
It was morally healthy a thing, and
Thank you. But then now I would like to ask Khushi about her views. Ma'am, but Khushi, you are the only one left, so please give your views.
You will get the chance at last. First,
First,
you can
please,
learn
please.
by the time.
We should go on a break. तो दोस्तों, ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ नहीं, 2 मिनट का ब्रेक है.